How to create two Bluesky accounts. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Bluesky app. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create a account or sign into your account. Add your email address. Then choose your password, select your birth date, then click on Next. Input your user handle, which is your username, then click on Next. Complete the challenge of CAPTCHA. After doing that, you can simply add your profile picture or create an avatar. And then select your interest, then click on Let's Go. As you can see, your account has been created. Then click on three lines on top left corner of your screen. After that, click on Settings. You'll find below Profile. Then click on Add a new account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Sign into your account or create a new account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.